Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will be discussing the Q2 FY25 numbers and the con call of Yatharth Hospital and Trauma Center. So first thing first, let us just look at the, let us just obviously look at the business model at a very quick glance. So Yatharth Hospital, if you look at it, it is a super specialty hospital and it is morely catered around the Delhi, Uttar Pradesh in that region, right? So if you look, they started at Delhi and they have three main hospitals in Delhi, mainly Noida, Noida Extension and Greater Noida, okay? After that, what they did, they acquired a hospital in Jhansi Orcha area. Then they went to Faridabad recently in the last quarter. We've seen couple of quarters, right? So this is where they operate, and most of their hospitals, like I told you, 70 to 80% of the revenue comes from super specialty, right? Now let us talk about Q2 FY25 ka numbers, how it has been, and what whatever have they told in Q1 FY25, have they really performed according to that? Okay, so first thing first, if you look at the Q1 FY25 numbers, you will see that in Q1 FY25, or not just Q1 FY25, for the past 1 year, if you would have seen, you see that this has been a cheetah in the hospital space, right? It is the fastest growing in the hospital space. You will see on all metrics it used to do really well, okay? And they also mentioned in one of their interviews that they're targeting that 25% kind of growth rate for the next couple 2 to 3 years, and they will also maintain a margin of around 25 to 27%. The EBITDA margin will be at that rate. And one of the things that was very interesting about this hospital is not only were they growing at a very high pace of growth tha, but along with that they were also doing the most expansion. They are planning to double the bed capacity in a span of 3 years. That is what they have always targeted, right? So now coming to Q2 FY25, let us see if they are on track or not, or if the management has executed according to what they've told. Okay, so first thing first, if you look at result has been quite good. If you look at on a year-on-year basis, that is Q2 on Q2 basis, you will see that the result, that the sales growth that is there, has grown by around 27% on a year-on-year basis. And if you look at the at the PAT, right, at the PAT, if you look, PAT grew by only 10% on a year-on-year basis. And if you look in terms of half yearly also 32% से PAT grew हुआ, and sales grew around 32%. So half yearly में same rate से revenue भी grew हुआ and PAT also. So no operating leverage on half yearly basis because 32% से both the entities grew. Again, if you look on a QOQ basis, like I told you, QOQ basis में sales grew by 27% and PAT grew by 12%. So now of course, right, it asks for a question over here, like how is that, like all this while this company that has been doing a high pace of sales growth, and also it had an operating leverage, what happened in this quarter that operating leverage is a miss over here? क्यों सिर्फ 12% का growth किया? Now there are a couple of reasons. Okay, the first of all, let us, if you go look at the every line item that is there, if you go look at the income statement, ठीक है, पहला चीज़ है, हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पे income statement का, पहला चीज़ you will see medical consumable and pharmacy line items. यहाँ पे ये भी थोड़ा बहुत increase हुआ है. Last time अगर ये अगर मिला 36 करोड़ था, अब ये 43 करोड़ है. So one of the reason this medical expenses has increased is, like I told you, right, Yatharth has been moving more and more towards super speciality from the general medicine. अगर आप general medicine में जाते हो, आपका margins उतना high नहीं है because you're giving a very commoditized treatment, right? अगर आप super speciality में हो, let's say providing oncology treatment, dialysis and things like this, then what happens? आपका margins यहाँ पे high है. But also here, if you are, let's say over here, they have been expanding their cancer treatment, so their oncology department, they're trying to expand. Now what is happening is this oncology का medicines जो है, they are a bit expensive. You have to also keep them in stock, right? You never know when you will need what. So as a result, one is this, because of this medical expenses has come up, ठीक है? The second thing is employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses भी अगर आप देखते हो, it has also been up from 28 करोड़ से 41 करोड़. यहाँ पे ये ऊपर हुआ है. Now why has this employee benefit expenses been up? As you all know, यथार्थ का 5 हॉस्पिटल है, right? First of all, the recent hospital, फरीदाबाद का hospital, had just started in the month of May. इस साल का month of May में it started, so it has been operational for 3 months and 40 days, right? As of Q2, and if you take 3 months and 40 days. So you see, before the hospital starts, you'll have to hire the doctor, you'll have to hire your nurses. Everybody comes on payroll first, even before the hospital is operationalized. So इसके वजह से आपका employee benefit expenses आपको हुआ. And the other thing is, even in the existing hospitals, उनका जो 3 main hospitals है, which are the matured hospitals in Noida, right? यहाँ पर also they have been hiring a lot of star doctors as you call, or doctors who are who have a lot of better reputation, you can tell, or the best reputation, who are the stars in their field. इसके वजह से इनका यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय बेनिफिट एक्सपेंसेस इसके वजह से अप हुआ है. द अदर थिंग इज यू विल सी यहाँ पे डेप्रिसिएशन और कॉस्ट भी ऊपर हुआ है, राइट. इट हैज इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 61 to 78 करोड़. सो ऑन अ ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस पे बोल रही हूँ. नाउ दिस हैज ऑल्सो इंक्रीज बिकॉज वाई, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, फरीदाबाद का नया हॉस्पिटल आया था in the last quarter. In Q1 we saw it being operationalized, right. Now if you know any hospitals that you take, right, any hospital, well, let's say if you buy it, right, it takes around 2 to 3 years for it to just become EBITDA, EBITDA losses पे EBITDA profit level में होना, it becomes break even होना, it becomes takes 2 to 3 years. After that profitability में आना, it takes another 4 years. So it takes a lot of time. It's not like एक hospital आता है then it becomes very easy to get operationalized, right. It's not like that. So इसके वजह से you will see सारा का सारा all of these 3 reasons are why उनका expenses जो है, expenses from last year to this year has been up by 33%. As a result why you see the PAT थोड़ा कम दिखता है, because of which the operating leverage has been missed for the company. It is not because के लिए कोई structural change हुआ है यहाँ पे, there is some problem over here जिसके वजह से let's say यूजुअली व्हेन वी सी ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज वी सी समटाइम्स के लिए रॉ मटेरियल ऊपर होता है, या वरना सेल्स उतना अच्छा नहीं होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच डी लेवरेज होता है. नन ऑफ दीज रीजन्स, बट यहाँ पे अगर आप देखते हो बिजनेस ग्रो इसके वजह से यहाँ पे एक्सपेंसेस ज़्यादा है. एंड नेचर ऑफ द बिजनेस मॉडल ही सच है, लाइक इफ यू लुक एट द हॉस्पिटल्स, ऑल योर एक्सपेंसेस इज अप फ्रंट व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग अप अ हॉस्पिटल, राइट. बिकॉज व्हेन यू पुट अप अ हॉस्पिटल यू हैव टू स्पेंड ऑन बिल्डिंग. आपको ये सब मशीन्स खरीदना पड़ता है, आपको एम्प्लॉयज़ हायर करना पड़ते हैं, मेडिसिन आपको रखना पड़ते हैं, इसका सारा का सारा खर्चा अप फ्रंट होता है ना. फिर उसके बाद आपका पेशेंट आता है, वहाँ पर भी लेट्स से एक हॉस्पिटल में सिर्फ 10 to 20% ऑक्यूपेंसी लाने में ही 2 साल लगते हैं. थिंक अबाउट इट. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज ओवर हियर. इसके वजह से यहाँ पे थोड़ा पैट में थोड़ा दिक्कत आ चुका है, ठीक है. सो दैट इज वन थिंग. सो दैट क्लियर्स आवर इनकम स्टेटमेंट का थिंग. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द अदर हॉस्पिटल पैरामीटर्स सच एज आपका ऑक्यूपेंसी. नाउ ऑक्यूपेंसी इज मोर लाइक अ वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ, राइट. लाइक आई ऑलवेज कीप टेलिंग, जैसे मैंने वो रिजेक्शंस में हाउ डू रिजेक्ट अ बिजनेस में भी बोला, यू नीड बोथ वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ एज वेल एज वैल्यू ग्रोथ इन अ बिजनेस, राइट. Now, when you talk about volume growth, again, one thing to note down here in hospital is volume growth for a hospital will never be 100%. Also, one more thing, if you want to understand every parameter of all the hospitals in detail, like क्या how do you analyze a hospital, कैसे देखते हैं, I would ask you to like watch my video on YouTube, एक है like hospital sector analysis. I've explained every parameter and how do you look at each parameter. So just go to that video of mine in the YouTube channel, ठीक है. So first of all, let's talk about occupancy. अगर यहाँ पे देखते हो, like I told you, occupancy is like volume growth. If you look at it on a year-on-year basis, Q2 or Q2, you see that occupancy has hardly been up by 3%. Now, why is that? सिर्फ 3% ही क्यों है? Especially when you see Q2, अगर आप देखते हो, सारा हॉस्पिटल स्पेस के लिए, सेक्टर के लिए बहुत अच्छा क्वार्टर है, बिकॉज Q2 इज मानसून सीजन. मानसून सीजन में क्या होता है, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ दीज डिसीजेस, राइट, सच एज डेंगी, मलेरिया, मस्किटो रिलेटेड डिसीजेस ज़्यादा होता है, राइट. एज अ रिजल्ट क्या होता है, एडमिशन ज़्यादा होते हैं. सो ऑफकोर्स ऑक्यूपेंसी बढ़ता है, रेवेन्यूज बढ़ता है. सो हाउ इज दैट इन अ सीजनली बेस्ट क्वार्टर आपका ऑक्यूपेंसी सिर्फ 3% से बढ़ा? द रीजन फॉर दिस इज, अगर आप उनका लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, कमिंग बैक टू द नोएडा हॉस्पिटल, जो 3 हॉस्पिटल है नोएडा का, ठीक है. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अ कपल ऑफ दिस हॉस्पिटल, सिंस आर मेच्योर हॉस्पिटल, दे आर ऑलरेडी रनिंग एट मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी, ठीक है. 75 to 80% का ऑक्यूपेंसी में ऑलरेडी ये चल रहा है. देयर आर कपल ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स. नाउ इन अ हॉस्पिटल ना यू कैन टेक अ ऑक्यूपेंसी टू 100%. क्यों? बिकॉज लेट्स से अगर आप हॉस्पिटल में जाते हो, आपको 100 बेड है, राइट. लेट्स से 80 बेड्स है नॉर्मल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, 20 बेड्स होगा आईसीयू ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. नाउ लेट्स से 80 नॉर्मल बेड्स आर फिल्ड, 81st पेशेंट आते हैं जिसको एडमिट करना पड़ता है. नाउ यू कांट एडमिट हिम इवन दो यू हैव 20 बेड्स, क्योंकि वो आईसीयू पेशेंट नहीं है ना. सो यू कांट एलोकेट सम बेड्स. लेट्स से आउट ऑफ द 20 बेड्स 10 बेड्स आर फॉर डायलिसिस पेशेंट, ये नॉर्मल पेशेंट है. नाउ यू डोंट हैव बेड्स. सो नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई अ हॉस्पिटल कैन नेवर रीच 100% ऑक्यूपेंसी. मैक्स टू मैक्स 75 to 80% ऑक्यूपेंसी इट कैन रीच, ठीक है. दिस इज वन प्रॉब्लम. द सेकंड, इसलिए दे आर डूइंग दिस बॉन्कर्स एक्विजिशन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. आई विल कम बैक टू दैट. बट अनदर वन रीजन इज, इफ यू रिमेंबर यथार्थ का अगर आप पेयर मिक्स देखते हो, you would see that now all this while you would have seen यहाँ पे this hospital had the highest payer mix come from government, almost 35% to 40% आपका payer mix आता था government से. in fact Q1 में 35% was coming from government. now यहाँ पे क्या होता था, since government से payer mix आता था, आपका receivable बढ़ते ही जा रहा था वहाँ पे, right, because government का payer cycle जो है 6 to 9 months पे होता था, right. so that is one thing. now नाउ इफ यू टॉक इफ नाउ यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, दे हैव टेकन ए वेरी कॉन्शियस डिसीजन कि लाइक उन्होंने मैनेजमेंट ने बोला कॉन कॉल में कि लाइक हम लोग डेलिबरेटली हमने ये किया है कि लाइक हम चाहते हैं कि लाइक गवर्नमेंट का पेयर मिक्स जो है वी वांट टू रिड्यूस दैट एंड इंक्रीज द कैश एंड योर इंश्योरेंस पेयर मिक्स. कैश एंड इंश्योरेंस पेयर मिक्स में क्या होता है, यू कैन रेडीली इंक्रीज द प्राइस इंक्रीज हो सकता है ना. If you talk about the cash pay mix especially, right, you can increase it on a year basis. You have much more pricing power. If you take about insurance, you can do it once in couple of years, right? As a result, your RPOP is getting better, right? It will become better. Now to do so, to increase the cash mix and to increase the insurance pay mix, they have cut down on the government payer mix. As a result, because of which the occupancy has got affected and the management has told कि like you will understand हमने ये क्यों किया अगले क्वार्टर के वजह से. यहाँ पे इस क्वार्टर में थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट हुआ इसके वजह से बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग थ्रू दैट चेंजेस, बट अगले क्वार्टर से जब आएगा यू विल सी यू विल नो व्हाई वी डिड व्हाट वी डिड लाइक इन सॉर्ट ऑफ दैट स्टेटमेंट दे टोल्ड. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे ऑक्यूपेंसी ठीक है, नथिंग दैट मच ऑफ एन इश्यू. देन थर्ड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सेकंड द अदर हॉस्पिटल मेट्रिक वी आर टॉकिंग इज अबाउट आरपॉप. ओके, सो नाउ व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आरपॉप, the first thing you will see is ARPOB has increased by 11% on a year on year. ARPOB is like a value growth, so here also good parameter. ARPOB भी अच्छे तरीके से increase हुआ है, right? Now why here ARPOB has increased? One is of course payer mix थोड़ा सा change हुआ है, but the other main reason is like I told you, these people are moving towards more that super speciality treatment, especially the cancer part of the revenue has been really increasing, right? जो उस metric से आ रहा है. So as a result, because of which you will see that ARPOB has increased. Now ठीक है, you will see अगर आपने देखा सारा metrics पे I've explained everything. There is no problem, ठीक है, absolutely no problem, right? All the hospital metrics are fine. Now let us talk about the interesting part over here. Like I told you, यथार्थ is at one company जहाँ पे high pace of sales growth था और फिर उसके साथ भी highest capex भी कर रहा है, right? That is one thing that's very interesting about this company. Now when you talk about your capex, इन्होंने इनका plan था that they want to double the bed capacity by FY28. 3 to 4 years का उनका plan था and they have done already that. They're already doing that. In fact, last time they had acquired that Asian Fidelis Hospital in Faridabad, ठीक है. So totally now they had 5 hospital networks. Now before Q2, just I think a couple of weeks before, they have added another 2 hospitals. इनका ये logic है कि like these people prefer an acquiring a hospital rather than building a hospital. Like अगर आप build करने चाहते हो पहले आपको land खरीदना होता है, then after that you have to construct that hospital, फिर आपको doctors hire करना पड़ते हैं. So the time it takes is very long. Now as a result आपका depreciation cost और भी बढ़ता है, आपका payback period भी बढ़ता है, right? But if you already have a hospital that is built, all you have to do, it becomes easier for you to operationalize it as quickly as possible, right? Now here if you see, they've started to acquire 2 hospitals. They've already done 2 hospitals. In fact, if you actually look, if you had caught up with their previous 2 con calls, they told आगे जाके हर साल हम लोग एक हॉस्पिटल को अक्वायर करेंगे. What they've done is अभी इस साल में उन्होंने 2 हॉस्पिटल अक्वायर किया, ठीक है. So the first hospital they've done is in Delhi का region, ठीक है. So one second, yeah. The first hospital they've done is in Delhi का region. ये 300 बेड का हॉस्पिटल है. So they will do it in phase wise. Phase 1 में 150 हॉस्पिटल खोलेगा, phase 2 में another 150. This hospital will be operationalized again in Q1 of FY26, जो अगला साल है, नया साल आने वाला है, उस Q1 में ये operationalize होगा. इनका अगर आप देखते हो यहाँ पे here also if you see, the acquisition cost is 160 crore and next another 60 to 75 crore will go in setting up the entire in setting up the entire hospital. So 60 to 75 crore, so totally 220 to 250 crore का ये हो जाएगा, expenses हो जाएगा. The second hospital they are going to be doing is in Faridabad. It is a 400 bedded hospital. यहाँ पर भी they have taken a stake of 60% and the cost is also around 400 bedded का hospital, cost is around 100 crores, right? So both of this hospital will allow them to reach that 2,800 beds by FY28. Other than this, उनका एक Greater Noida extension with दो hospital है. There also they want to increase the bed capacity, right? They plan to add 250 to 300 beds respectively in those 2 hospitals. So capex का plan ठीक चल रहा है. And one more thing to appreciate over here is, even though these people are increasing the capex, ना यहाँ पे इतना सारे capex हो रहे हैं, the management is very confident कि like उनका जो EBITDA margin है, until now you'll see EBITDA margin lies between 25% to 27%. It will lie in this only 25 to 27 only, इसके बीच में रहेगा. उनका logic है कि like whatever the depreciation cost के वजह से the drag will be there from the margins because of the acquisition of these 2 hospitals will be countered by the increase in the payer mix or उनका ARPOB से from the current hospitals that are there. So overall great, nothing to worry about, I would say. In such the update has been quite stunning, nothing to worry. Even if you look the existing hospital जो फरीदाबाद में, जैसे I told you, just 3 months and 40 days का operation जो हुआ है, in just 3 months and 40 days they have done occupancy of 12%, right, which is quite fabulous because it takes around a year or 2 for you to reach that 12% occupancy, and they've already done it in just like in 40 days, right? And it has already started contributing to top line. As of Q2 FY25, if you see, 4% of the revenue comes from this. So overall result is great. Now I'll just touch upon the one thing that can be a bit disappointing over here is, first of all, of course, आपको operating leverage यहाँ पे miss हो रहा है, right? Because if you look at it, right, you need both of it. You need the result as well as operating leverage to like sometimes to push your business over here. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा operating leverage miss हो रहा है because of the acquisition, because of the capex that is going. It should get better probably once the 2 hospitals that are there will start operationalizing in next year Q1 FY26. So that is one thing, the missing of operating leverage. Second thing is क्या हो रहा है, like I told you, you not only have to maintain a high pace of growth like you've already done in the past, but it is also imperative for any businesses that you maintain the highest pace of sales growth even among your peers, right? Now if you compare, as of now, if you see in the last few quarters, this was the case with Yatharth, right? In fact, last quarter आपने देखा, right? It was the first quarter we saw in Yatharth जहाँ पे कुछ problems नहीं था, result अच्छा था, operating leverage था, and you saw the stock literally move from like क्या 400 से I think 650 तक भी भाग गया था ये, ठीक है? यहाँ पे थोड़ा market cap भी expansion हुआ, and now you see in Q2 FY25 क्या हुआ है, you will see that sales growth है, but operating leverage miss हुआ. That's part number 1. And with peer comparison B, it is not highest pace of sales growth, like उतना कुछ difference नहीं है. Why am I telling this is because Apollo has done 15% का sales growth. अगर आप वहाँ पे Jupiter Lifeline देखते हो 22% plus उनका 50% से PAT grow हुआ है, operating leverage है. Narayan Hrudayalaya has done 7% का sales growth, so not in competition. But their biggest competitor over here is Max. Max Healthcare, if you see, Max Healthcare, if you see, Max Healthcare has done 25% of sales growth. Okay, so if you look at it, Yatharth has done 27% and Max has done 25%. Max has done 25, Yatharth has done 27%. In fact, यहाँ पे can you see here, Max is already at like 1 lakh करोड़ का market cap, Yatharth is at 5,000 करोड़ का market cap. So जो company आपसे 20x गुना, like 20x more market cap है, that is growing at the same pace, more or less as the same pace as you. It is also doing the same kind of expansion as you. If you look at Max का भी भयंकर capex चल रहा है, right, वहाँ पे. So the fact that you are also growing at the same rate is a little bit, you can tell it's a bit disappointing compared to that, because see, if you have to get that, see, whenever you're looking at Yatharth का क्या हो रहा है अभी, like you're a small player, Max is a big player. When you look at it, क्या होता है, Yatharth has a capability to be Max, to reach that Max का level का valuation. Now if you have to go to that level का valuation, the only chance to be over there is you have to grow at a faster rate than Max. अभी क्या हो रहा है, Max is also at that market cap, at that valuation, it is growing at the same rate. यहाँ पे Yatharth is also growing at the same rate, and you also see that Max has proven track record over here. So why would somebody who's a Max का investor would want to switch from Max to Yatharth? There has to be some kind of leverage for you to shift from here to there, now to go from that place to this place. Now that leverage over here has been missing this quarter, like until now what you saw, the highest pace of growth among the peers, that is a little bit missing over here. 27% का growth engine, Max भी वहाँ पे 25 करे, that is a little bit, I can tell, a hindrance over here in this quarter. Overall if you look, yes, business is going in the right direction, जो बोल रहा है वो कर रहा है, everything is going in the right direction, right? There is no problem. Business के angle से देख रहे हो तो no problem. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे, like whatever the advantages you had over the last quarter, maybe in terms of valuation, maybe in terms of आपके being best among the peers, वो थोड़ा सा hit ले चुका है इस quarter में. That is it. Other than that, all good. All whatever the management has told, they've been walking the talk, वही हो रहा है. Now we need to see अगले quarter में क्या होता है, if the pace of growth continues to be this high, because management ने बोला है कि like I was in the con call today and they mentioned कि like Q4 का जो quarter होगा, it will be much better than इस साल का Q1 का quarter, right? And you know, right, Q4 and Q3 is not really great for hospitals. इनका H1 is better compared to H2, in fact, for all hospitals, right? So we'll have to see how that pans out. We'll also have to see Q1 of next year, maybe we will have to see how fast, in the next year, how fast these नया hospitals उन्होंने acquire किया है, how fast it will be operationalized, how fast इनका occupancy का ramp up हो सकता है. And the biggest question is यहाँ पे EPS growth, EPS किस रेट पे ग्रो करेगा, बिकॉज राइट नाउ इफ यू सी ना, यहाँ पे ये 25% का ग्रोथ इंजन है, एंड आई थिंक इवन ये अगर 100 करोड़ का लेट्स से इस बार प्रॉफिट करता है, लाइक लेट्स से if you because over the last 2 quarters if you see 30 plus 31 61 crore का profit है in H1. So let's see if they do 100 crores का profit and market cap is around 5,235, so that comes up to 52p for like a 25% का growth engine definitely becomes a bit expensive, and the fact that you're not growing faster than your peers also, like उतना कुछ difference नहीं है, that becomes a bit of a hindrance. But let's see what happens in the coming quarters if this continues, if it gets better. So that's it about Yatharth. See ya. Bye.